Riker, are you showing us how you get along? So he's just changed from his normal scoot to like a half crawl, half scoot. Are you so awesome? And now we were forgetting that we never videoed him scooching. So now you get the hybrid crawl scooch. We think it's pretty funny. Riker. Riker, come get mama. Come get mama. Come get mama. Riker. You want a snack? A snack? Yeah, snack. Come on. Riker, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you say cheese? Can you say snack? Riker, can you say thank you? Riker, can you say socks?
Yes.
Can you say shoes? Oh, thank you. Right, give to mom. Riker, can you say shoes? Shoes? Oh, there's some full-on good scooching that we love so much. Riker, say bye-bye. Riker, say bye-bye.